Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove forgotten password on Redmi 13c. For example, I forgotten my PIN. Simply press the power button and the volume up button at the same time like this. Slide up to power off. As you can see, the device is powered off. Now press power button and volume up button at the same time again. Release the power button, logo appear. As you can see, main menu is showing. You can navigate this menu by using volume button. If you press volume down button, it will go down. If you press volume up button, it will go up. I will simply press volume down button and press power button to select the wipe data. Again volume down button and power button to wipe all data. Again volume down button and power button to confirm. It will take some time as your phone data is wiping out. As you can see, data wiped successfully. Now press the power button again and again press the power button. As you can see, my phone is rebooted and the password is also removed. Now you can simply set up your phone. I hope this video helped you. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.